Hi, I'm Jack from IKO. Let's talk about the step-by-step process for buying a new roof. The first thing that you're going to want to do is research to make sure that you're finding a reputable contractor. The best place to start is obviously the contractor finder on IKO's website, Roof Pro Works, where you can go and search for a roof pro in your neighborhood who can come and walk you through the process themselves. The materials and a dumpster will arrive at your property, and the roofers are going to show up the morning of the job and make sure that they have a clean roof deck to restart from. All sorts of old material flying off of your roof, things can get pretty messy. So make sure to speak to your contractor about protecting your windows, your eaves, your siding, your bushes, your driveway, and your lawn with tarps, a catch-all system, or something like that. Once the roof deck is ready to go, the new installation process is going to start. That's going to begin at the eaves of the roof, that's the bottom part of the roof, with installation of an ice and water product. That is going to make sure that should there be ice damming or moisture that gets underneath your shingles, that your roof deck is going to be protected, it's not going to rot, and nothing gets in underneath and inside of your attic. The next thing that they're going to do is install a synthetic underlayment so that you have protection all the way up to the top of your roof. We recommend IKO's Storm-Tight synthetic underlayment. Once your roof deck now is protected, we can start moving into the shingle installation process. So the first thing that they're going to need to do is install a starter shingle. We recommend IKO's Leading Edge Plus or Edge Seal. After that is going to be the shingle installation. From Cambridge, Dynasty, Nordic, Arbor Shake, there's a variety of options within IKO's portfolio that you can choose from. At the end, your contractor and his team are going to install capping shingle. They are a special type of shingle designed to give your roof the perfect finishing touch. After the project's over, write a positive review for both your roofer and IKO online. Congratulations, and enjoy your new roof.